friends. Welcome to our countdown of our top bikes ruling the Indian roads for the last 1 year. These are the motorbikes that have captured the hearts and imaginations of riders across the nation, from daily commuters to thrilling performance machines. This list has something for everyone. Let's dive in. Before we go in, what are your key factors that you will look into a bike when it is a commuter bike, mostly, right, to office or a family? So for me, there are key top three areas that I look at. One is the fuel efficiency. Second, affordability. Three, durability and reliability. So when it comes to fuel efficiency, mileage is a major concern in cities, with buyers' favorite bikes offering 50 plus at least kilometer per liter to minimize your fuel expenses. And if you have affordability, low initial costs and affordable maintenance matter greatly, allowing buyers to stay within their budget. When you go with durability, look for long lasting, low maintenance bikes with solid resale value appeal the most to practical buyers. So with that, let's move on to our list of bikes in India that you can afford for a middle class or a budget vehicle. Starting with the undisputed king of commuter bikes, the Hero Splendor Plus. With over 3 lakhs units sold this year alone. Remember, 3 lakh units sold in just 1 year. And this bike is a legendary. It is reliable and unbeatable value, make it a top choice for millions. It's not just a bike, it's a household name. And with a solid 4.5% growth from last year, Heroes have proven again why the Splendor is the people's champion. Whether you are darting through traffic or cruising through rural roads, the Splendor Plus gets the job done in style and comfort. It also comes with a 5-year warranty, and some of the key specific details I left it on the slide. You can just pause the video and look at the details which might be useful for you to choose your right commuter bike. With that, let's move on to the next one. Honda Shine 125. The bike that blends style with everyday practically. With a whopping 2 lakh units sold and an impressive 31% growth in this year alone, which is a huge win for Honda. This bike is shaking up the streets. It has its sleek design, smooth performance, and stellar fuel efficiency make it a top pick for city riders who want a bit of class with their commute. Go for it. Honda Shine also proves that you don't have to choose between style and substance. Some of the key factors that you can call it: it gets a 10-year extended warranty coverage. And other key specific details, you can check like the seat height and fuel efficiency. It also gets the average annual maintenance, which is also pocket friendly, which is 2,000 to 3,000 per year. With that, let's move on to our third one. Continuing with our another topic is the Hero HF Deluxe. With sales figures around 1.5 lakh units this year, the HF Deluxe is a hit among budget conscious riders. Its affordability, fuel efficiency, and Hero's trusted engineering make it the ideal companion for everyday commuters. If you're looking for a bike that's easy on the wallet without compromising on quality, the HF Deluxe is the one. Because its curb weight is light, it's 110 kgs, and the heat side is 805 mm, which is ideal for every commuter, and it's a perfect budget, great mileage. If you're a friendly rider, you can get a mileage up to 75 to 80 kmpl on a liter, and an average maintenance not more than 2.5k. Who doesn't want this, right? You can save a lot if you're choosing this kind of a commuter, or at least to roam nearby your home rather than taking your car every time. Here comes the adrenaline junkies, and this is for all the junkies out there who look for adrenaline with a 125cc. Bajaj's iconic Pulsar series has been a favorite for performance lovers. The 125cc model keeps that legacy alive with the style. With a 1.42 lakh unit sold, this sporty machine is the go-to for those who crave a bit more thrill in their ride without breaking the bank. The Pulsar 125 also gives you the power, handling, and that unmistakable Bajaj feel. Ideal for young riders and long-time Pulsar fans alike. Some of the details that you can see, it's a little heavier than the other normal bikes that we have seen in the lists behind. It comes with 140 kilos, and the ride height is very comfortable for even short riders at 790 mm. Crazy styling, go for it. A little bit over 3k. You can hit maximum of 4k yearly maintenance, which is okay. Mileage, you might get on road around 50 kmpl. This is okay, decent enough for a stylish bike with the Pulsar brand, which looks stylish. Moving to our last on the list is the TVS Raider 125, a newcomer that's making waves, with sales hitting 1 lakh mark in just 1 year. This bike combines a sporty design and practical power and features perfect for urban riders. TVS Raider is an ideal for young riders like the Pulsar who want a bit more style and features in their daily commute, and it's quickly becoming a top choice on city roads. This TVS Raider 125 brings together modern looks with trusted performance and capturing attention whenever, wherever you go. If you look some of the pics on the slide, digital cluster inverted mechanism, that's one of the designs, and you also get this bike with a split seat and a single seat option as well. If you're a family guy, you can go for a single seat, or if you're a young guy going to college or going to your newly joined company, this is a perfect choice with stylish looks. And it's also a curb weight of 123 kilos and a 780 mm, ideal for even short riders and medium riders too. Anyone close to 6 feet can also keep riding this. Yep. And with a budget of 3.5k is the max that you have to spend on this bike on an yearly annual maintenance. Cool. So this comes to a last of the list. So that's our roundup for the hottest bikes burning up the roads in 2024. From the ever reliable Hero Splendor to the stylish Honda Shine and the thrill-packed Bajaj Pulsar, India's bike market is booming with options that deliver on every front. So which of these is your top pick? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest bikes and auto trends. Ride safe and happy riding. Ciao. Have a good day.